Shein is the next generation of e-commerce. So for those of you, you're probably very familiar with it. They were doing a ton of ads in the US past couple of months, and you're likely to see them more and more. If you have kids who are Gen Z, it's very likely they shop from here. Many don't know it's a Chinese company. The way to think about Shein is that it is a Zara 2.0, a Zara online. Now, what Zara did well is fast fashion, but more importantly, their supply chains anywhere, I think around 21 days for them to design a new idea. You know, they have designers, and then they automatically put that in store. So their inventory is always changing. Shein one-ups that.
Right.
They can do it in 7 to 10 days. And I don't mean 7 to 10 days from ideation, some designer sitting in the back room, to manufacturing. They have tight relationships with the factories. What they're doing is the page that Ram sees right now is highly curated and pushed just for him. It is like TikTok. They have algorithms that push what is best selling, and they know they're tracking every movement you make, what you buy, what you like, so they can start pushing you more product. And then as a whole, they can read into that data and say, oh, you know, there's a trend towards buying pet toys, a trend towards buying plaid shirts, and automatically, algorithmically, that goes back to the factories, which they are very tight with. They have, you know, teams sitting in the factories themselves to iterate on, okay, what's the best selling product? Let's ship it. And then within 7 days, that will probably launch on the store, get pushed to you. And then if you order it, you know, it comes in mail, however long shipping takes.